Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. Buying a car, be it new or used, is a big deal for all of us. Sadly, sometimes that purchase does not turn out well and all you eventually get is a heap of junk in the driveway. If this is the case with you, the sooner you recognize the problem, the better, so you can perhaps return the car, get your money back, or solve the problem in some other way. Mostly used cars are problematic regarding this issue, but even new ones are not immune to this. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Constant breakdowns and repairs. The first symptom of a bad car purchase that will certainly give you sleepless nights are constant breakdowns and repairs. Engine problems, transmission problems, fuel intake problems, suspension problems, these are some of the most common mishaps. To make things even worse, if you bought a bad car, these problems usually start soon after buying, not to mention that they can cost an astronomical sum of money to repair. Problems with the car body. Next big problem is problems with the car body. Minor stuff like scratches, smaller dents, even a slightly different tone of color on the body panels is not that much of a problem and is tolerable. But if you see rust, like serious rust on the floor panels, parts where the suspension is connected to the body and else, if you see cracked filler marks on the panels, missing parts of the trim, you have probably bought a big lemon. One more very bad sign is if the car pulls to one side all the time while you're driving. Even after you've done a wheel alignment and checked the suspension, things do not change. This tells you one serious thing, that the car's geometry is bad. One of the most common reasons for this is that the car has previously been in an accident. If the seller didn't mention this, be sure you've made a bad purchase. Another very bad sign and potential big problem is that you have problems with the car's documentation. In most countries, the car has to have its documents for registering the car, for proof of ownership and else. If there's anything fishy about the documentation or you have legal problems, you must contact the seller or the legal authorities in your country. Leaks, bad smells, and strange noises. The final symptom on this list of a bad car purchase is pretty easy to spot, especially if you know your way around cars. If you see any traces of leaks, sense any bad smell, or hear a strange noise while driving or while the engine is running, there is some sort of problem. This doesn't mean it has to be anything serious, but you have to make an inspection as soon as possible. For the end, always remember this golden rule when buying a car, especially a used one. Always make a thorough inspection of the car before you give your hard-earned money away. Once you give the money away, it can be too late and you'll be stuck with a big and costly problem. So make a thorough inspection first and pay the money second, and you should be okay. That's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.